Make investing in the stock market easier with these tips. Investing in the stock market can be a faraway dream for some, because they are not sure how to get started. However, anyone who has invested in the stock market has had to learn. Here are just a few of the smart investing tips that anyone can use, in order to have success with investments. Stay realistic with your investment expectations. It is widely known that success and riches from the stock market do not happen overnight without high-risk trading, which often leads to serious loss of capital. Be aware of this and you will avoid making costly mistakes while investing. If you are seeking ways to maximize your investment potential, it is important that you set long-term goals and have a plan. The more realistic your expectations are, the more likely you are to succeed. Hold your stocks for as long as necessary to make profits. Investing is best done with an eye to the long term. There are very few people who will succeed at moving money in and out of investment vehicles, if they try to catch day-to-day trends. Most people just end up losing their money and getting frustrated. Look for solid companies or funds with a long history of good returns and stay the course. Pay attention to cycles, and wait for the bull market to emerge. You must be ready to pounce when things are on the upswing. If you do your homework, you will learn to recognize when a bear market is about to do an about-face and head in the other direction. Everyone with investments has had to learn how to invest wisely. They had to start from the beginning and learn as they went along. Therefore, if you are a new investor, you can feel confident that you can learn, as well. You can apply the tips in this video and soon, investments will begin to show the kinds of results you are looking for. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.